In this segment, we want to show the installation of Shadow Profile Type 4 with a drywall ceiling. Here, a step-by-step installation is shown. The basic diagram: we have a ceiling profile which is fastened with self-tapping screws. Next comes the drywall, 12.5 millimeters thick. Paper tape is used for additional reinforcement. We putty and paint. The profile cross-section looks as follows. Here there is an inclined platform for attaching the LED strip. There is a special niche for diffusion. This means that the light source is turned away from the eye. In other words, from no angle will we see the light source. The light source is reflected multiple times. This gives us an even distribution of light across the wall.